Do you want to make X the best user growth channel for your brand? We have helped exchanges like OKX, Prime XBT, top protocols, top exchanges grow their channels on X. Over the last 6 months, we've also mastered the algorithm and ways how you can boost your content on X. So we are giving out our full playbook to anybody that just puts in your email. You can download the full guide afterwards as a PDF. Here you get all the tips and tricks and best practices that we have used to generate millions of organic impressions to small accounts. We go into everything from user acquisition strategy, content pillars, how to set up your profile if you're starting up, and everything from that until how to create content, algorithm 101, do's and don'ts, engagement strategy reply guy. Here we are generating millions and millions of impressions by using this reply strategy, and so much more in this how to create lead magnets, giveaways, golden tick, and almost everything that you need to know to basically master X and have it as your channel that generates the most user for you in the project. If you have any other questions, feel free to book a meeting and we are happy to support brands like yours to grow on X.